ലയരാഗതന്ത്രി മീട്ടി സ്നേഹഗീതമേകിയും കർമ്മഭൂമി തളിരിടുന്ന വർണ്ണമേകിയും
On this great occasion, we are happy to inform you that we also have a quiz competition to raise the spirit of patriotism. The question will be screen shared in between the program. Do participate and enjoy. My love for my nation is worthiness. My love for my people is endless. All I desire for my country is happiness. Now let me invite Aunt Saji to welcome you all to this great day celebration.
Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George SABS, the principal, dear teachers, loving parents, and my dear friends. A pleasant morning to you all. Independence Day is an honor and a great gift. It's a historic day in the history of India. It remarks the start of a free India. I feel really lucky and thankful that I'm given a chance to welcome you all to this great day. It's a proud moment for every citizen of India. This day gives me a feeling of immense joy, which is indescribable, when I see our tricolor national flag soaring in the wind above. It's a day to pay tribute and remember the struggles undertaken by our great leaders. As we are the future citizens of our nation, make our commitments to serve our nation. Make commitments afresh. Further the difference of color, creed, and caste. Let's stand for the aim of progress, prosperity, peace, and justice throughout. So, on this auspicious day, I may take a great honor to welcome our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George, who hardly needs any introduction. Sister, you have made all of us proud by your distinguished presence and support in numerous capacities. Dear sister, I welcome you to this day's celebration. Dear parents and teachers, you all are an inevitable part of this day's celebration. I cordially extend my words of welcome to you all. My dear friends, let me not forget to extend my warm welcome to you. Welcome one and everyone. Last, I wish everyone a happy Independence Day and hope for building a beautiful nation together. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you, Andessa. I feel a turbulence around everyone is excited to sing in the depth of patriotic music. It's my intense pleasure to invite Andrea Rose Joseph for a song. Andrea, please.
वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो
छुपी बहुत हुई सामने आ जाना कहाँ ढूंढा तुझे अकेले तेरी आजा समझो मुझे तेरी फिक्र ढूंढला गई देख मेरी नज़र आ जा राजा संजय मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर न जाए। कैसे तुझे कब का लगा देगा, मेरी जरूरी से पानी मां कोड के पिया है, गुच्छा गुच्छा कर ख्वाबों का उच्चे के जवाब है, चलिए को गया भागे, नया नया सहारा गया भाग, लगा सब कुछ है मौजूदी, लगे दिल तेरे मुझको अकेला। तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर न जाए। राजा संजय मुझे तेरी फिक्र धुंधला गई, देख मेरी नजर न जाए। राजा संजय मुझे तेरी फिक्र
Freedom is the way God intended us. It is something we are born with, something that no one can take away from you. I would like to request Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George for her message on the 75th Independence Day.
Dear teachers, parents, and students, I hope you all are safe and secure during this pandemic. Amidst the deadly outbreak of COVID-19, still we are able to celebrate our Independence Day. Praise God. I congratulate everyone of this 74th Independence Day. Freedom doesn't come easily. We all are indebted to our national heroes who made this country what it is today. I salute the martyrs and brave sons of India who died for our homeland. As patriotic citizens, let us put extra effort into performing our civilian responsibilities to continue the legacy of our great heroes and also to leave this country a better place for the generations to come. On the occasion of our Independence Day, we have a lot to be proud of. Our country is the largest democracy in the world, and our citizens are ruling the high-tech companies in the world like Google and Microsoft and so on. And our doctors and nurses are all over the world. Even after so many years of independence, have we been able to achieve the goals of our constitution of our country? I'm not confident enough to say that our country does everything to solve the problems like unemployment, poverty, corruption, rape, violence. increasing atrocities on women, theft, riots, and so on. Continuously increasing political and religion-based killings is challenging the pride of our tricolor. Dear students, being the citizens of this great country, we have a lot to do. We need to work hard to preserve our rights, to live the dreams of our freedom fighters. On this day, as we gratefully remember our father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, let us follow his words. Be the change that you want to see in the world. Yes, my dear students, let us transform our lives for the better world. Let us lead a virtuous, truthful, loving, patriotic, and very faithful life to create a better India and to create a better world. I wish all of you very happy Independence Day. God bless you all.
Now hold your breath, your magic and music. Here come a scintillating dance performance by Ivana Mary Subin and Angel Mary Subin.
मेरे वतन के लोगों जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी जरा आँख में भर लो पानी जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी सराया करो कुर्बानी संदेशे आते हैं हमें तड़पाते हैं वो चिट्ठी आती है तो पूछे जाती है कि घर कब आओगे कि घर कब आओगे लिखो कब आओगे कि तुम ये मैं गया जहाँ भी बस तेरी याद थी जो मेरे साथ थी मुझको तड़पाती रुलाती सबसे प्यारी तेरी सूरत प्यारे बस तेरा प्यारे माँ तुझे सलाम तुझे सलाम
अब तो हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना अब तो हमें साथी है बस इतना ही कहना हम सनम है थोड़े कदमों से कदम बढ़ते हैं हम चलते हैं थोड़े से तुम दुश्मन के भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्तां हमारा है
मेरे देश की धरती
मेरे देश मेरे मेरी जान है तुम देश मेरे देश मेरे मेरी जान है तुम देश मेरे मेरी शान है तुम देश मेरे मेरी शान है तुम हे वतन हमको तेरी कसम तेरी राहों में जान तक निभाऊंगी भूल क्या चीज़ है तेरे कदमों में हम मेरे सरूं तुझे हम जाएंगे हे वतन
Knowing is not enough. We must apply. Wishing is not a must. We must do. Yes, to have here with us Master Chrislin Sijo to deliver a few words on this Independence Day.
Respected principal, teachers, and my dear friends. Good morning to one and all. I wish you all happy Independence Day. After 200 years of British rule, India got independence on August 15, 1947. Independence Day is a celebration of our freedom and is commemorates our war heroes like Mahatma Gandhi, Subhash Chandra Bose, and so many others. On this day, Prime Minister hoists the national flag on Red Fort, and in schools, it's celebrated with full passion and happiness. It's a national festival and a public holiday. The spirit of love for the nation is in the air. On this big day, let's take a pledge, peace and unity of our great nation. And let's say proudly, Vande Mataram. दिल हमारा एक है, एक ही हमारी जान, हिंदुस्तान हमारा है, हम ही उसकी शान. जय हिंद.
Talent is God-given. Hard work beats talent when talent doesn't work hard. I really believe that everyone has a talent, ability, or skill to succeed in life. Today, we have Andrea Sigi here to inspire us all with her special performance to prove that hard work can be miraculous. It's indeed a great moment for all of us as Andrea Seji of Class 3A has constantly amazed us by her performance. Andrea is inspiration to us all. I run out of words to congratulate your outstanding performance in the film Koda, in the short film Angel, and of course the viral video on gymnastics. Andrea, we would like to congratulate and acknowledge the tremendous success you have got. My words can never be enough to praise you. Your actions, the works, and the talent you bring always exceed my expectation. Congratulations. I humbly request Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George to appreciate Andrea on her success and then to present a memento as taken of recognition.
Andrea, please come forward. You made all of us very proud of you, and you work hard to achieve your goal. പാൻഡമിക്കിന്റെ സമയത്ത് വെറുതെ ഇരുന്ന സമയം കളയാതെ ആ സമയം കാര്യമായിട്ട് ഉപയോഗിച്ച് ഒരു സ്കില്ല് ഡെവലപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ, അതും ജിംനാസ്റ്റിക്സില് പ്രാവീണ്യം നേടിക്കൊണ്ടിരിക്കുന്ന ആൻഡ്രിയ സജി, യു ആർ റോൾ മോഡൽ ഫോർ റെസ്റ്റ് ഓഫ് ദി സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് ഫോർ ദി സ്കൂൾ. കൺഗ്രാജുലേഷൻസ്, താങ്ക് യു വെരി മച്ച്. ആൻഡ് ഈ നല്ല ദിവസത്തില് ഉയരങ്ങളിലേക്ക്, ഈ ജിംനാസ്റ്റിക്സിന്റെ ഉയരങ്ങൾ താണ്ടുവാൻ നല്ല ദൈവം സമർത്ഥമായി അനുഗ്രഹിക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുന്നു, ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. അതുപോലെ വീടിന്, സ്കൂളിന്, നാടിന്, ഈ ഇന്ത്യ മഹാരാജ്യത്തിന് മുഴുവനും ഒരിക്കൽ അഭിമാനമായി തീരട്ടെ എന്ന് ആശംസിക്കുന്നു. ഞങ്ങളുടെ എല്ലാവരുടെയും സ്കൂളിന്റെ പേരിൽ എല്ലാ അഭിനന്ദനങ്ങളും അറിയിക്കുന്നു.
Gratitude is an attitude. The mouth speaks when the heart is full. May I request Alfie Augustine to express our gratefulness towards gatherings.
Gratitude opens the door to the power, the wisdom, the creativity of the universe. It's not happiness that brings us gratitude, but it's gratitude that brings us happiness. Honorable Principal, Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George, dear parents, my beloved teachers, and my dear friends. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks in this year's Independence Day celebration. Yes, I'm proud to be an Indian. I take pride in my Indian identity. As our dear sister said, we have the potential and power to be one. The responsibility lies on the shoulders of each. It's with you, with me, and with all of us. And I'm so sure that you will all feel the same zeal and enthusiasm to make our country great. On that note, may I have a great pleasure to thank our beloved principal, Reverend Sister Dr. Jancy M. George, the chief guest of the day. Thank you. I know these words are not enough as you have graced us all with your esteemed presence. Your presence has really made a great difference to this day. Thank you, sister. Here we have our Vice Principal, Sister Lucy Eusebius, and the other sisters of our convent. I thank you all for your valuable presence. Thank you, sisters. Dear parents, you all make us really feel proud of. You are the strength, the motivation in all our ways. A heartfelt thanks to you all for joining us today. Thank you, parents. Loving teachers, you are the key to the success of this event. You were there from the start, that is from the planning to the execution. A word of appreciation and gratitude to each one of you. I also like to thank the student committee, the organizing team. Without you, this event would not have been possible. Once again, a big salute to you all. Thank you.
Thank you one and all for joining today.